Hello guys, you're welcome once again to IKETECH, and thank you for choosing this video. If today happens to be your first time, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now, making money on Google Maps. This is real, but if you find yourself in Africa, Ghana especially, like this is my country, and I have been checking people's reviews on Google Maps. That is small businesses, they are business on Google Maps, and I have been trying to convince them to help them to upgrade, to update their information on the Google Maps for them. And what I have noticed is that you just contact them that this is what I've seen on Google Maps, and I want to help you, or I want to just do the update for you. I want to let your business to be live on Google Maps. Your business is not yet claimed on Google Maps, and you don't have reviews, you don't have pictures, and you explain all these things to them, and they will feel like it's not needed, and I don't even know. So making money online through this Google Map and stuff is very difficult if you find yourself in Africa. But if you find yourself in this foreign, this European and US countries, this is one of the best opportunities that you can use to make money on Google Maps. So making money online through Google Maps is real, but it's very difficult for you to get clients to work for in Ghana. This is what I have noticed. I have tried several times, and none of these has been successful for me to just do for them. Sometimes some of them will just let you to come to their business centers. You go there and then explain to them everything, and then they will tell you, okay, I'll give you a call. You will be waiting and nobody will be calling you. So if you see such videos making money on Google Maps, don't think it's going to be easy for you to just make money all of a sudden. You need a lot of time, and you have to work hard towards it.